In this video, I will show you 4 easy steps on how I am making money with high ticket affiliate marketing and how you can do the same. And at the end of this video, I will show you my payment proof that I earn by doing the same thing that I am teaching you inside the video. So watch the full video till the end. So the first step is you need to find a high ticket affiliate product to promote. So first, I'll talk about why you need to start high ticket affiliate marketing. Because in affiliate marketing, you earn more money per sale. That means you can earn $1,000, even $2,000 per sale if you do high ticket affiliate marketing. And you only need to make a few sales each month to make a decent income. So if you are doing high ticket affiliate marketing, then if you only make 1 to 2 sales, then you can easily make a $2,000 to $3,000 per month. And you don't need to drive as much traffic to your offers to make a good money, because if you are doing affiliate marketing, then you are getting a very high ticket commission per sale. So you don't need millions of views to make a good money with affiliate marketing. If you just get some thousands of views, then also you can make a good money if you promote high ticket affiliate product that can give you high ticket commissions like $1,000 per sale. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer as an affiliate. So Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and show people how they can make money as a freelance digital marketer. And the mission of Legendary Marketer is to help people start an online business or grow an existing business using online and cutting edge marketing strategies. So if you are a new affiliate marketer or you already have a course but you don't know how to market your own program, then Legendary Marketer is very best for you, because lots of beginners took the training from Legendary Marketer and right now they are earning very good money as a freelance digital marketer. As well as Legendary Marketer have the great affiliate program, so you can earn $1,000 even $2,000 per sale if you promote Legendary Marketer as an affiliate. And the best part is you don't need to promote any high ticket product by yourself, because Legendary Marketer have a great value ladder and Legendary Marketer have a great sales team that will sell the high ticket courses for you. And if someone purchase, then you will get a commission. But right now, if you are promoting any different high ticket affiliate program, then no worries, because the method which I'm going to show you in this video will work on any product. Now in a step 2, I will show you how you can promote these high ticket affiliate products for free. Now in a step 2, I will show you how you can promote these high ticket affiliate products on Instagram for free. So right now, Instagram Reels are in high demand and you can get thousands and even millions of views for free if you use Instagram Reels. Now I will show you 4 steps on how you can grow your Instagram account. So the first thing is you need to find 10 people on the same niche that you are in and follow them. So if you are in a make money online niche and you sell course that teaches people how they can make money online with affiliate marketing, then you need to find 10 people who are in the same niche that you are in. And then you need to find their 10 to 20 top performing pieces of content. So just go into their account and find the top videos that got thousands and even millions of views. So first you need to find 10 to 20 top performing pieces of content, and then you need to recreate those content. So don't copy word by word, just model that content and add your own twist on it. And you must need to focus on their hook, story and offer that I will show you later in this video. And the fourth and most important step is you need to repeat these steps over and over again, because if you are not consistent, then you will not grow your Instagram account. So right now I will show you my actual Instagram account so you can easily understand. So here you can see this is my Instagram account, Future Passive Income. And see, I post a lots of reels on Instagram and I'm getting a lots of views by using the hook, story and offer formula that I will show you right now. So before I told you that I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer teaches people how they can make money online with affiliate marketing. That's why I'm creating Instagram Reels to attract people who are interested in affiliate marketing, or they already start affiliate marketing but they don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way and earning high ticket affiliate commissions. So now I will show you one of my Instagram Reel and break down the entire reel into hook, story and offer formula that I'm talking about. So right now you watch one of my Instagram Reel, then I will break down it for you. Hey, lot of people ask me that can affiliate marketing is the best side hustle to start, and my answer is yes. I will tell you why. Because in affiliate marketing you are partnering with other existing businesses.
So you don't need to worry about creating a product or service, no product fulfillment or no customer service. You just need to focus 100% on marketing. And when someone purchases a product through your link, you will get a commission. So if you only have 1 to 2 hours a day, then you can also start your affiliate marketing business. So if you want instant access of my free affiliate marketing course that will teach you how I am doing affiliate marketing and earning commissions, then check the first comment of this video.
So now you already watched one of my Instagram reel. Now I will break down the entire reel. So the first thing is hook. So at the beginning of the video, I say is affiliate marketing is the best side hustle because I know that the product that I am promoting that teaches people how they can make money online with affiliate marketing. So that's why at the beginning of this video, I say is affiliate marketing the best side hustle because in all the reels in the first 3 seconds is very important. So if you can able to capture your audience attention in the first 3 seconds, then they will probably watch the full video till the end. So the hook is very important. Then in a story, I talk about if you start affiliate marketing, then you are partnering with other existing businesses. So you don't need to worry about any product creation, no product fulfillment, and no customer service. And you just need to focus 100% on marketing. So if you are busy and you only have 1 to 2 hours a day, then also you can start affiliate marketing. So by using the story, I remove people objection and tell people that why affiliate marketing is the best side hustle for you because of all the reasons. And then at the end, which is offer, or you can also call the call to action. So I told people that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the first comment of this video because I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing. So they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study. So I give people call to action according to the video so that lots of people will check the comment and they go to my funnel and give their name and email address, and that's how I got a one lead. So this is the simple framework that you need to use in all of your Instagram reels to go viral. Now in step 3, I will show you how you can create a bridge page funnel to build your email list. So in all of my Instagram reels, I give people call to action that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So once someone watch my video and if they are interested in getting my case study, then they check the link in my bio. And once they click here, then they go to this page. So this page is called the landing page or opt-in page. And the main purpose of this page is to capture people's name and email address who visit this page. So here I write free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping without any experience creating products, carrying inventory or dealing with customers. So if the person is interested in my case study, then they click here, yes, I want an instant access now. Then they show this pop-up. Here, once they enter their name and email address and click here, then I capture their email address and they redirect to the other page. So this is the second page, which is also called the bridge page. And here I write important. Be sure to watch this full video to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So here I have a short video, and at the beginning of this video I talk about how they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And later in this video I talk about the legendary marketer affiliate program that I am promoting. I told people that if you are interested in affiliate marketing or if you want to start your online business, then you need to check out legendary marketer. And I also talk about the creator of legendary marketer, Dev Shah. So he is a 8-figure earner, right? And he helped thousands of people to start their business. So if you are also interested in starting your affiliate marketing business, then you need to check legendary marketer. And I tell people that click the button below this video to learn more about legendary marketer. So once someone click on the button, they will go to this page. So this is the sales page of legendary marketer, and here they can watch the short presentation from Dev Shah. And in that presentation, they will explain everything that they got inside the legendary marketer 15-day business builder challenge. And then if someone interested, then they click this button and they go to the checkout page of legendary marketer. And once they purchase the 15-day business builder challenge for $7, then I will got a little commission. But this is not the high ticket commission. But once someone get into the 15-day business builder challenge, then the sales team of legendary marketer will introduce them more high ticket products like a $3,000, $4,000 products or courses. And once if someone interested in buying the high ticket affiliate course, then I will got a $1,000 commission without selling any high ticket product by yourself. That's why I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, because Legendary Marketer gives a great online marketing education that helps my audience to grow their business, as well as if they purchase a high ticket product, then I will also get a high ticket commission. But not all the people who come to this page will purchase a challenge at the first time. Only 2 to 3% of people will purchase it. But no worries, because I already captured their name and email address into this page, so I can follow up with them with automated email sequence and recommend them Legendary Marketer over and over again, so eventually they will buy Legendary Marketer in the future. So now in the next step, I will show you how you can create your email automation sequence to increase your conversion rate. And if you are also a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get my free affiliate marketing case study that will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. I will show you which product I'm promoting, how I'm promoting, and how I'm increasing my conversion rate. So you will get a ton of value inside the case study. If you want to get instant access, then check the link in the description below. So the step 4 is how you can create email automation to increase your conversion rate. So here you can see this is the software that I'm using to build my funnel that I show you, as well as my email automation. And this is the free software until you have 2000 email subscribers into your list. So if you want to check out this free software, then check the link in the description below. You can see here I'm getting leads every single day inside my business by using the hook, story and offer formula that I show you inside the Instagram Reels. Once I go to email and click on campaigns, then here I have a Legendary Marketer case study. So this is my automated email sequence, and I already have 23 pre-written email into my email sequence. So once I click here are all the emails that the person will get once they give me their name and email address. So the first email is I'm giving them the access of my free affiliate marketing case study that I promised them in all of my Instagram reels. So once someone opens this email, so inside the email I tell people that how they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, and once they click here, then they go to the case study page. So you also give me your name and email, and if you want to get access of the case study, then check the email from Harshil and Prakshal and click here, then you will get the access of the case study. And I have a lots of emails inside my email automation sequence, but the main goal of my email automation is to remove people's objection, give them additional trainings, and show them other people's payment proof. I'm promoting Legendary Marketer that teaches people how they can make money online with affiliate marketing. But lots of people have the objection that Legendary Marketer is legit or scam. Other people who got the training from Legendary Marketer are seeing the results or not. So there are lots of objection. As an affiliate marketer, my job is to remove people's objection so that they can eventually buy the product that I'm recommending to them. And the second email inside my email automation is let us introduce ourselves. So if someone click on this email, then inside the email I talk about how we came from India to New Zealand as a migrant and how we start our affiliate marketing business and which mistake we made, so that I can able to gain my audience trust, and eventually if they will trust me, then they will buy the product that I am recommending to them. And I will show you my other emails. So here you can see proof is Legendary Marketer legit. So if someone open this email, then inside the email I talk about the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. He is a 8-figure earner, as well as he featured in Entrepreneur magazine, and Entrepreneur is a very big magazine. So if this is the scam, then Dev Sharp will not get a chance to feature inside the magazine. So that's how I remove people objection that this is the legit affiliate program. So that's how I remove people objection that Legendary Marketer is a legit. And if you want to get started, then click the button inside the email, and once they click here, then they go to the Legendary Marketer sales page, and once they purchase a product, I got a commission. And in the other email, here you can see proof affiliate marketing works. So if someone open the email, they came into this page, and in this page I show people that the people who got the training from Legendary Marketer are earning their commission. Here you can see this guy said I made my first commission. This guy said I made my first ever commission. And I took this all screenshot from the Legendary Marketer Facebook group. And see, this guy made $1,000 in just one day by implementing the training that they teaches inside the Legendary Marketer. And then I show them a social proof of people. And if someone interested, then they click here, then they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, I got a commission. So that's how I'm using email automation to remove people objection so that I can get a more conversion rate. Now I will show you my actual payment proof that I got by following the same method that I teach you inside the video. So here you can see, you just earned a new commission. I earned $1,350 commission by just one sale without selling any high ticket product by myself, because I showed you before that legendary marketer have a great sales team that can sell the high ticket course for you, and if someone purchase you will get a commission. Here you can see, dear Harshil Patel, this is my name. I earned 1,254 US dollar per sale, and now I will show you inside my affiliate dashboard and show you my live proof. You can see here I'm making a lots of sale by doing the same thing that I teach you inside the video. And I also refresh this page so you can see that this is not a screenshot, this is the live proof that I'm showing you right now. So the main purpose to show my payment proof is that the method which I'm teaching you, I'm already applying this method inside my business and I got a result from this method. That's why I'm showing you that if you also beginner affiliate marketer, then you need to do the same thing, and I reveal everything inside my free affiliate marketing case study. That's why I told you that if you want to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. And inside my free affiliate marketing case study, I show you everything step by step and click by click how I am doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. So if you want to get access of the free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. And if you have any question related to this video, then just comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.